Hey there, sparks of curiosity. Have you ever wondered how electricians ensure their business is shock-proof from unexpected mishaps? Well, you're in for a jolt of knowledge today, as we dive into the electrifying world of electrician insurance. Step 1. The necessity of electrician insurance. So, you're zapping wires and lighting up lives as an electrician in the United States? Awesome! But hang on a second. Did you know that even a simple wiring job can lead to potential hazards and costly blunders? That's where electrician insurance comes into play. Electrician insurance, also known as electrical contractor insurance, is your protective shield against property damage, injuries, and legal entanglements that might zap your business. It's like a customized safety net that's tailor-made for your specific electrician business. Step 2. Who needs electrician insurance? So, who's in need of this electrifying coverage? Well, if you're an electrical contractor handling tasks like general electrical work, lighting, high or low voltage installations, fiber optics, or electrical controls installations, listen up. Step 3. Coverage types. Electrician insurance isn't just one type, it's a mix of coverage options that create a shock-proof shield for your business. Let's break them down. Business liability insurance. First up, we've got the superhero of electrician insurance, business liability insurance. Imagine a faulty wire sparking a fire that leads to property damage and injuries. This coverage swoops in to pay for medical bills, court judgments, settlements, and legal defense. Commercial property insurance. Next, we've got commercial property insurance, your guardian for physical locations and business equipment. Whether it's your office furniture, tools, inventory, or even important papers, this coverage steps in if they're damaged due to covered events like fires. Business interruption insurance. Business interruption insurance, it's like a backup generator for your income. If you have to temporarily shut down due to a covered event, like theft or wind damage, this coverage replaces lost earnings and helps with additional expenses. Step 4. Additional coverage types. Now, let's plug in some additional coverage types you might consider. Workers' compensation insurance. If you've got employees on board, workers' compensation insurance is a must. It covers medical care, lost wages, and disability benefits if your employees get injured while on the job. Commercial auto insurance. Zooming ahead, we've got commercial auto insurance. Your personal car insurance won't cut it for business use, so make sure your work vehicles are covered for accidents and damages. Hired and non-owned auto insurance. Say you or your employees are using personal or rented vehicles for business purposes, hired and non-owned auto insurance steps in to cover property damage and injuries caused accidentally to others. Commercial umbrella insurance. Want an extra layer of protection? Enter commercial umbrella insurance. It boosts your liability coverage limits, ensuring you're covered even when things go above and beyond. Equipment breakdown insurance. No one likes a malfunctioning tool. Equipment breakdown insurance covers the repair or replacement costs if your equipment suddenly decides to throw a sparkless fit. Contractors' tools and equipment insurance. Your tools and gear are the lifeline of your business. Contractors' tools and equipment insurance ensures they're protected from theft, damage, or loss. Installation floater. Installation floater, a coverage for valuable equipment and materials while they're in transit, awaiting installation, or being installed on the job site. Errors and omissions insurance. Mistakes happen, but errors and omissions insurance has your back. If a client claims you've messed up, this coverage helps with legal costs, court judgments, and settlements. Step 5. Exclusions and cost factors. Now, let's talk exclusions and costs. Keep in mind that electrician insurance won't cover everything. Exclusions might include earthquakes, floods, war, radioactive fallouts, the unexpected and the otherworldly. As for the cost, factors like the number of employees, coverage needs, claims history, business assets, and even location will spark the price tag. It's like a circuit, various components come together to light up the final bill. And there you have it, a charged-up guide on how to get insurance for electricians in the United States. Remember, electrician insurance isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity to keep your business powered against the unexpected. So, whether you're wiring up a new building or fixing an old one, ensure your business stays lit with the right insurance coverage. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.